All right, we're just placing our white bread into our melted garlic herb butter. And I'm just getting it coated on both sides. And then I'm just gonna grab it and I'm gonna squish it into a little ball. And we're putting it into our greased muffin tin. We're making a super yummy and delicious treat today. This is perfect now that it's football season again. There's gonna be so many fun game day parties and you're gonna wanna try this fall. All right, I'm coming in with a little Pam spray. I'm just gonna spray the bottom of my cup here. And I'm gonna come into each piece of bread and we're just gonna create a little indentation right in the center. Ooh, this is gonna be so easy, y'all. Now you can use this with whatever kind of bread you like. I like the Texas toast. I couldn't find the Texas toast bread today, so I used my country potato, but any kind of big fluffy bread would be perfect for this. All right, but speaking of game day, one of my game day favorites is chili, and I've just got my Hormel no beans here, so I'm putting in just a scoop into the center of that bread with my Hormel. You can use beans if you'd like. Sometimes I just like to do the no beans for Marty. I think it's better on his tummy. But any kind of chili, make your own, is perfect. Alrighty, now I've got some jalapenos here because I want to add a little bit of spice to this. And I'm just going to put these right on top of the chili. Of course, leave these off if you're not a spice lover, not a spice person, not a spice girl. Or you can use, the hatch green chilies, which are a little milder. But anything that you like to dress up your chili with, I think would be perfect in this fun little recipe. All right, I'm coming in with my triple cheddar. Now you can use whatever cheese you like, but I thought this triple cheddar rustic cut would be delicious and go perfectly with our garlic, Texas toast, our chili, those jalapenos. This is just gonna take it down a notch. And it's hiding the jalapenos, so you could kind of trick someone too if you were like, oh, it's not spicy. And then it's underneath the cheese and they bite into it and they're like, ah. No, I'm just kidding. The pickled jalapenos aren't very hot. That would be a trick if you really wanted to play a trick on someone that you would do with the fresh jalapenos. Alrighty, I'm just gonna pop these into my oven at 350 for about 15 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, we just had these in the oven for 15 minutes. Look how amazing this looks. And the fun part about this is you can totally customize these. I'm gonna put just a little bit of parsley on top, but some green onions would be great too. You could do the bean chili inside here. You could do little smokies with some chili. Oh, the possibilities are endless for these little Texas toast treats. Oh my God. Look at this little cup to hold your chili in. Isn't that gorgeous and yummy? Oh my goodness. Alrighty, y'all, moment of truth. I cannot wait to give this a try. Oh my gosh. Wow. So good. Y'all, you gotta try it.